Hello friends, how are you? So welcome back to my YouTube channel PC and Windows with another interesting and new video of PC settings. So in this new video we are going to discuss a very important and interesting topic about PC settings. So watch the video till end, and this video is going to be on the two parts because video will be go a little lengthy. That's why I'm dividing this video in two parts. So in this video we will discuss about how can you repair Windows setup files. So there are two ways to recover or repair Windows setup files. So in this video we will discuss first on app. So if the computer shows signs of performance issues, it could be due to corrupted system files, and if this is the case, you can use the development image service and management tool DISM and system file checker SFC command lines tools to fix the setup without reinstallation. So fix installation files with DISM. In this video we will discuss about this. So to use DISM to repair corrupted system files to improve performance and stability on Windows 10, use these steps. First of all, open start. So here is the start, just click on it and search here command prompt. So just type out here command prompt. So click on the first one, command prompt. As you open the command prompt, then give it permissions if it requires, and then type the following command to repair the installation and press enter. I am copying this from here, copy paste here. As I have selected the text from save location and I have pasted from here. Just copy and paste this one from the description. After you complete these steps, the device should now operate normally if the utility has finished successfully, and if the scan had issues, you should also use the SFS command line tool. So create another video, the part 2 for this video, to fix these installation files with SFC. Hope so you have understand, and if this video helped you a little, just like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out our other videos about PC settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this video, just comment me down. I will surely reply your comments.